Hey there, we are going to take a look at a couple of the settings that you can control on the smart brake support and smart city brake support within the Mazda infotainment system. We're going to be using the command shift knob and the infotainment screen to take a look at those settings. First thing we're going to do is we're going to hit that home button, bringing us to this screen on the infotainment system. We're going to scroll over using the command shift knob and turning it to get to the settings piece. And then we're going to take that command shift knob and actually press it to the right side to head on over to the safety tab. Safety tab has a lot of different options, but for this example, we're going to head down to the smart brake support and smart city brake support system. If you do want to turn that off, it is available to turn off. Mazda does not recommend it, neither do we, because it is an important piece of the iActive Safety Sense or iActive Sense safety system, but you can depress the command shift knob to turn that on and off. You do have two different settings that are available. One is the warning distance, and that's going to tell you how far away it's going to warn you audibly whether you're approaching a vehicle or an object too fast and need to go ahead and depress the brake. And you have a far, medium, and near setting. And then on that volume, that same audible volume is going to be a high, low, or an off. If there is a warning set, it will warn you visibly in the console, but you do have the option to have that warning volume set differently. Thanks for taking a look at the available options for the smart brake support and smart city brake support in the Mazda infotainment system. If you do have any questions on use or availability, please don't hesitate to comment below. And as always, you can come in, ask one of our client advisors at one of our 4 locations in Tennessee or Oklahoma.